Hello everyone, this is Dr. Elsa Orlandini, clinical psychologist in South Beach, Florida. I'm discussing some topics to help everyone during this challenging time with the corona quarantine and crisis and pandemic. So today I wanted to talk about how to maintain stability at home, how to feel that we have peace at home. As we see the days mounting and we see what's coming ahead, there's more and more days that we're quarantined, there's more and more days we cannot leave from the house, and the tensions at home are getting higher and higher, whether it be because we're bored, whether we're hearing news about what's happening in other places, including places that are close to us, and also hearing what's happening with medical care or lack thereof. I think it's normal for most of us to start feeling more and more tension. So the tension may be turning into problems with communication and anger management and frustration tolerance. So it's very important for all of us to be mindful of what's my tension level, how frustrated am I getting, am I doing what I need to do to put myself on timeout if I feel what's going to happen is that I'm going to react adversely or in an exaggerated way toward the people that I have near me or at home. We're all responsible for containing our moods. How we feel is okay. What we do with our mood is what we actually control. So if you are nasty to the kids or you're yelling to your spouse, that's a choice. You can put yourself on timeout, calm down, and focus on what you need to do to communicate your needs. Now, one of the things I tell people when I'm working with them in clinical practice is to recognize when someone hurts you, it's important to recognize what you feel, what they did, and what you need to teach them in order for them to address their needs in a way that's constructive the next time. So an example is when someone yells at me. I felt very hurt that you yelled at me. What I need is next time to talk to me calmly. How can I help? Is a way to approach a problem in that there's a constructive tone, there's a recognition of what that person did to hurt you, how you felt about it, and also mounting on that the idea of you can help me. One of the other ideas I came up with is that everybody have a family journal, a journal you keep in the kitchen or a general area, and that people can say, for me to feel better during this trying time, Mom, I need you to do this. Dad, I need you to do this. Or child, I need you to do this. And that there's a communication going back and forth, and that sometimes it's very hard to tell our loved ones what we need and how we feel. So a journal could be a way of doing that, and everybody knows to look in the journal if there's anything that can be done to help. Now, let's make sure that the children are not taking advantage of this. Mom, I need $1 million since I'm bored at home. So let's make sure that everyone takes responsibility when asking for what they need. And remember, the tension is normal. What you do with your emotion is important. Put yourself in timeout. If there is some type of a flare-up at home, talk about how you feel, what you need, and if needed, because communication may be a little awkward or challenging, use a journal so that everyone knows to communicate with each other. I hope these tips help you. Please hang in there. We're all together. Be hopeful. This will pass. Warm hugs to everyone. Bye.